Hello YouTube. I'd like to introduce you to another one of my good friends here from the Waspidia family. This nice big thing you see in the jar. Big yellow hornet. One of the favorite things to play with when I was a kid, because what we would do is we would take these and we would put them in with tarantulas and then maybe throw in a couple of scorpions and you could really have a good fight on your hands. These things will devour a tarantula. In fact, they'll devour just about anything. And they're really strong. And I'm not sure I even want to let this thing out. I don't know if you can hear him, and he is buzzing like crazy, and he's hopping mad. This is the third attempt to try and make this video. I was free handling him earlier, and he didn't care for it much. And I really would not care to get stung. I don't think I want to make any sudden trips to the hospital. Let's see if I can borrow him for just a second so you can get a little look at him. And just get a little look at that. Let's see if I can get it over here. I feel like one of those in your shirt.